Twain Drive installation started. Double-click the installation package. Select the language and click OK. Click Next. Click I agree. After selecting the installation path, click Next. Click Install to start the installation. Click Finish and wait for a while. Click Cancel. Twain Drive installation completed. Double-click the Eaglesoft icon to open the Eaglesoft software. Login software. When using Twain Drive for the first time, you need to add Twain Drive settings. Click File Preferences in the menu bar to enter the Preferences window. Click X-ray. Select Scanner in default device. Click Scanner and select the corresponding Twain Drive. Click OK. Click View Images to create or select a patient in the Person List interface. Enter the Eaglesoft Advanced Imaging interface. Click New Exams and select a template full mouth set of X-rays. The icon in the upper right corner of the tooth position represents the default image acquisition mode. If Twain Drive is used to acquire images, the acquisition mode needs to be changed to Scanner. You can also create a new template according to the actual needs, taking full mouth set of X-rays as an example. Click Other Template to enter the Image Template List window. Select Full Mouth Set of X-rays and click Edit. Select Scanner in default source, click OK, and click Close. Select Full Mouth Set of X-rays. Click Acquire to start Twain Drive. When using the sensor for the first time, if the sensor is not calibrated, it needs to be calibrated first. Click the icon to enter the manual calibration window. Click Exposure, the software will display ready, and the X-ray machine will expose towards the sensor with aluminum plate. After the image appears, continue the next exposure until all 8 images are collected. After 8 images appear, click Calibrate to complete the calibration. After manual correction, software matching setting is required. Click the icon to enter the setting window. Select Eaglesoft and click Edit. Select Enable and click Save to close the setting window. Back to the main interface, click the blue icon after confirming the shooting object. After the software appears ready, the X-ray machine starts to expose. After acquisition, click Cancel and click Return Image Software to automatically upload the image to Eaglesoft. Operation completed.